Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you one of the search engine beside Google named Bing. Have you ever heard about Bing? If your answer is no, you are on the right track. So stay tuned. So what is Bing? Bing is a search engine created and operated by Microsoft, replacing its former Live Search, Windows Live Search, and MSN Search offerings. Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer revealed the search engine in May 2009. Bing was fully operational in June 2009. Bing takes into account more than 1,000 signals to other websites on search engine result pages. The search engine is often compared to Google. Now, how to install Bing? Tap on the new tab. If your Google Chrome, I'm using Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome is set to the Google, so follow this simple step. Just go to the setting and tap the search engine and tap the Google and change to the Bing. So you have changed to the Bing as your default search engine. Let's move to the Firefox. Go to the menu, tap the option search and change Google to the Bing. Let's try. Tap to the new tab and it changed to the Bing. Okay. For the Microsoft Edge, we does not to change the search engine because it has been default to the Bing. Yes, it has default to the Bing search engine. Okay, let's take a look to the Bing interface. Overall look and feel compared to the Google interface, Bing feel more colorful and inspirational. The wallpapers, for example, are changed frequently and are frankly gorgeous. If you want to sign in to the Bing, like Google, sign into the Google, just tap on that and enter the Microsoft account. If you doesn't have one, so create one. If you tap on the menu here under the setting, you can see the language. If you want to change the language, just tap on there and you can change the language whatever you want. And you can see here the country, region, you just tap there if you want to change them, and location and more. And for the safe search, we can look after this what is the street and other else. For the search history, privacy, and you also can customize your homepage. If you doesn't want to show the news and interest, tap on that. If you feel that the homepage image disturbing you, you can tap here if you doesn't want to see them. Okay, for the additional setting, you can tap to the more. For the safe search, it is on the street. What is strict? Strict is filter out adult text, images, and videos from your search results. On a moderate, filter adult images and videos but not text from your search results. If you off them, it does not filter adult content for your search result. And your location, you can type on that. If you doesn't want to see search suggestion, you can untick them. For the result, show these many results on each page. Next is less effort in image scrolling. You just tap on the image and it comes out like thumbnail. You can go to the next picture by using your arrow key. And if you tap on the image, it goes to the new tab and shows you the full screen images. Next is a more visual search option. If you tap here, you can search using an image. Just drop that image and you can see the image information here. Next is Bing videos. For the Bing videos, if we search like just tap on the videos tab. You can watch videos without goes to the website, goes to the YouTube website like this. Unless you want to see the comment. For the additional privacy setting, tap on the menu, tap on the privacy. Bing allows you to totally turn off interest-based advertising from the other privacy settings menu while it is well connected with Windows, Skype, Xbox, and Office. You have a clear choice not to use your Microsoft account as a user. You are in complete control of your privacy, unlike Google. Microsoft does not use content-based targeting where, say, your emails, chats, and files and other personal stuff are not tracked. For advertising, you can also delete all search history, so Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. For the Office integration, being also in the Microsoft Office, it is your task to do the slide for the presentation. You can search pictures in here using Bing image search. And it shows you. Just tap whatever you want and insert. And you are ready to go.
Okay, next is I want to show you about search technique. For the search technique, I will teach you about Boolean search that I have studied in my lecture. What is Boolean search? Boolean search is allow you to combine words and phrase using the word and or not, known as Boolean operator, to limit border or define your search. There is three words: and, or, and not. And, not, and or will generally need to be in capital letters when used as a search operator. Okay, for the example is, first example, I will use N word. N is include two search definition terms. For example, I will search about network, and make sure your word N is in capital letter. Network and administrator. So there is the result about network and administrator. That the result will show in definition terms. There 152,000 result with 152 million results about network and administrator. Okay, next is I want to use for example words or is broaden your search with multiple terms. For example, I want to search about network administrator, or in capital letter, or network manager. So the result will show you in specific terms, which is about network administrator and network manager. Okay, next is, for example, the word not. For not, I will show you the example is I will search about administrator, not in capital letter, manager. Okay, for not is used to include a specific terms. So the result will show you about just administrator only, not a manager. So we also can use a minus symbol. So we will get a same result before this. Also, I forgot about word and. We also use a plus symbol. For example, network plus administrator. So the result is same. Before this, I show you network and the word and in the middle. Okay, next is I will show you how to search, how to use Boolean search in operator searching. For example, I want to search about prairie dog. So we will see the result. There is 92,100 results about prairie dog. But the most basic thing we can do with Boolean searching, that just about every database or website recognized, would be to use quotation marks around a phrase. So I will insert a quotation mark around the phrase. So the result will show you in 2,640,000 results. For next, if you want to search a prairie dog only in a title, so we just type all in title column. So the result will show you about prairie dog only in title. Okay, next is how you want to search about prairie dog in PDF. Meaning that if you want a prairie dog, the result will show you in PDF. So you just type is file type PDF. So the result will show you in PDF about the prairie dog. So we can see the result. There is in PDF files, so we can easily read, easily copy, and easily to download the PDF. We just click this symbol to download this PDF about the result. So okay, that's all our tutorial about to use Bing, and thank you for watching our video, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.